The car is literally standing here.
My car's here.
Huh?
My car's here.
Welcome to Flat Out Media. Always remember, 2 modes, key out or flat out. Guys, welcome to another episode of Flat Out Media. Today we are doing a very special introduction to our brand new RS6 replacement. In a FaceTime, yeah? Yeah. Not yet, not yet. You can have a few mini eggs. Pick up your FaceTime, I'm FaceTiming you. Can you see your FaceTime? Look. Where are you, Alan? You hiding in the bush?
Yeah.
This is brilliant content. Yeah, make sure you hide in the bush. He's going to be turning around in a minute. Can you see her? Can you see her coming?
I can hear her.
Yeah, you can hear the car. This is so much fun, Alan. Keep hiding in the bush. Imagine some guy comes out. What are you doing hiding in the bush? My kids are here. Huh?
No, she hasn't left yet.
Yeah, she has. She's got shout in the road.
What, she in the car?
Yeah, she should be turning around, bro. She's coming towards you now. Coming towards you now.
She's gone past the house.
She's gone past our house. Look, she's coming towards you. Hide in the bush.
Yeah, okay, I'll hide until she's passed.
Yeah, make sure. Yeah, she's literally driving past you now.
You'll be able to hear the car go.
You'll be able to hear the car in a second.
Yeah, I can hear her now.
Imagine what that guy's thinking, signing the car over. There's 2 guys roll up in a van, and then this other guy's hiding in the bloody bush. Yeah, of course you can see Alan hiding in the bush. Huh?
Right, she's gone now.
She's gone. All clear. Secret squirrel's out. You might as well come up to mine now, mate.
Okay, does he? Oh yeah, he'll bring the car up when in.
Yeah, he'll bring the car up when he's ready. Yeah, come up mine. Right, so Alan's out the bush now. As you can see, he's more comfortable on the sofa. Yeah, Nicole's golden. Nicole's called up thinking that is a new car. She saw it and the bloke apparently was looking at her. But obviously put her off. Hers isn't due till next week, so it can't possibly be hers. The car is literally standing here next to me. I'm not going to show you it just yet because it's not clean enough to show you. Obviously with a new car, they always come dirty, so the G3's out. Let's give it a quick little wipe down. Check out our Instagram for the discount code on that as well. As I say, I'm going to give it a quick wipe over and then show you our brand new Audi e-tron. Took you by surprise. It definitely took me by surprise. It's not exactly what you would normally expect me to drive. However, we got such a good deal on the trade-in on the RS6. It was just made this irresistible. With all the taxes, fuel prices at the moment and all the rest of it, with Nicole driving this mainly and me at weekends, it just makes perfect sense to have something that doesn't cost us an epic fuel bill every week. So obviously with this one, she's got charging at the place she works at the moment, so that's free of charge. The odd charge at home. As I say, we've never done electric. Is electric for you? Comment below, see what you think. It's a very quick car. Obviously we went for the 55 Quattro, so it's a nice quick car. It's nothing like the RS6 or anything else that we've got, but there's a massive saving of money there. Obviously I wanted to bring something different to the channel. Let us know what you think. Have I messed up this time?
My car's here.
Huh?
My car's here.
How do you know?
Because I saw it.
Where?
At home.
Where is it then?
At home. It's in there.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Should I have a look?
Yeah.
How did you see it?
Because it was there and then the back.
There you go. Look at this. Let me bring it out.
So good. I do not need to be on camera. Oh, do I need to move that?
That's fine.
Yay! Does it drive nice?
I've not actually been in it yet.
Oh. Can't even hear it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. You've got it dirty already.
Have we cleaned it?
No.
Yeah. Oh, it's Aaron. What, inside the thing?
Yeah.
I noticed that the guy did drive it down. He was a bit.
Yeah, I know. He looked like a grubby old man.
Wow. Doesn't pull any punches. Yeah, look. So it's really nice. It's obviously the new one. It's got these bits with quite cool in orange. You can charge it both sides. Aaron and I have messed around relentlessly with the charger that we'll probably never use, but it's got. We can plug it straight into ours at home. Gosh, couldn't wait to get out of here. There she is, Miss FOM, happy with the car. So that's all nice to see. Catch you guys soon. Stay flat out.